I teach you already last week that, you know, if you don't want to defend yourself, okay, go strike, you just go and run. Just learn how to evade it. On the other side, just go there, run. Okay, but if there's no option, then we fight back. Okay, then we fight back. Okay, there we go, right? If we have no option, okay? Now, knife, go. I go, I didn't move back, I have nothing, no space in there, I go here. I move back, okay? I grab here. Now, the moment you retract, here you go. Okay? Because always step up, I'm avoiding his eyeglass. Okay? He will always retract the knife. Remember that, right? Okay? See? That is always the scenario. He will always retract. That's why I told you to put your hands to support. Okay? Go. Because if you don't have anything here, you're dead. Okay? But if you have it here, at least you can go behind. Okay? Because you can pin. He is retracting. Okay, go. If you retract right away, you see? Move. Okay? Move right away. He moves quick. I hurt him. Okay, because he moves quick, okay?
Right? You take this.
Oh yeah, that's your step. If you dash and step,
look,
I have a different move.
Okay.
Okay, so from that one now, if I grab him here, okay? Okay? See this?
yeah. There, yes, exactly correct. Exactly right there. Like that, right?
Now, if the leg is there, look, I did the step forward, right? If I go in there,
Right hand is back hand like this. Exactly. Inside.
oh!
So,
Okay, that's it. Okay, strike again. Boom! Right! Yeah, I'm hurt. Yo! Leg. Boom! Switch your leg. Boom! Move it. Switch your leg. Boom! Switch your leg. Boom! One. Oh. Before I proceed. Yeah, counter. I block, I counter. Okay, stabbing.
you want to block.
1, 2, 3. 1.
No. You're coming up this way.
Good. And here, stab. 3.
Don't forget to snap.
Go.
Oh wait, you're lefty. So let's do the lefty. You just like let's do the lefty.
Nice, Kayla. Yeah, para maging mandirigma sa saksakan. Good.
Then when you're gonna block, just one
Kaya
snap.
talagang gumaling.
Good form.
Stab with the body.
Ganda ng block niya.
Mm.
No, first you stab me first.
We can,
Stab me first, then you go on top.
Yep. Bang. Yep. Bang. So don't be confused. The hands is the same. You know that you're controlling it, okay? All right, ready? Go. Here we go. 1, 2. Good. Good.
You're committed to one?
Okay, come on. Okay. Stand like this. You're gonna lean forward. Okay. I'm gonna square up to me. Yes. Good. Good. Good.
Ready? Only for that. Side. Go. Whoop. Mahilig to eh. Side. Push. Go. Push. Oh, push. Galing. Good. Nice, Kayla. That's my, Mika, go. Bang. Oh. Good. Go. Oh. That's my Mika. Oh. Nice.
Yes. How about you release it? Remove it from him. Yep.
Very good.
You just go in here, the other side. Bang, strike. Okay? Because he blocks you. Okay? So, one, I go in here, he blocks me. So I have to go here. Bang, bang, the other side. Okay? Block me. Block, bang. Or go in here. The other way around. Okay? So again. Okay? Now, there's a lot of things. This is block to block. I hit here, block. Block me. Yeah. Yeah. Strike me. Now, block this with the hand. That's what we call now drill. Now, strike me. I'm gonna block. Okay, block me. Strike me. Block it. Go, block it, block it. Yeah. Don't be afraid, Sam. Don't be afraid. Now, counter strike. I go in. Block it. I go in. Block it. Yeah. Go, go. Go. Block, 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 block. This is a flow, but we will make a drill in a while. Now, let's start.
Okay. So we're still focusing like one.
Dami ng videographer. May hilo si ano niya. Okay. Oh, you don't get it, right? Yeah, you do so. You do so.